Alright, so here's the after. It's hard to see. I can't see anything, but hopefully we can get it on film. There's a little bit of black soot up above the window. It will not come off. I hit it with everything I got. But before it was all green, covered in algae. Now it's all gone. The side was the worst. Of course, the back, it wasn't too bad. But it washed up really nice. And then, of course, well, it's not the garage, but the addition here. That washed up nice. All up there is good. The other side of the house looks really good. There was a lot of algae and green moss over there in the corner. It's all gone. And in the front, behind all of the shrubs, green growth all around there, but it's all gone now. We're looking good. I'm very happy, except for that one area that didn't come out.